Hi guys, it's Otto from Motorize It, and today I'll be looking at the Oximo IO motor, which is the improved version of the Oximo RTS. And we're going to program the motor, which means we'll set the lower and upper position and we'll link this remote control to it. So let's get started. It's basically similar to the RTS version, so you'll recognize some similarities if you've done that before. And we'll start by pressing the up and down button at the same time until the motor responds. So now the memory has been opened, and I'll check the direction to which it turns. So when I press down, it should be going down, which it does. When I press up, it should be going up. But when you need to reverse that direction, you press the My button and hold that for 3 seconds until it goes up and down. So now when I press down, it goes up, and when I press up, it goes down. So I change that again by pressing the My button and holding it again until the motor responds. So I'll check it. It goes down. So that's been done. And you need to do that at this moment of the program procedure, because if you try to do it later, it will no longer work. And then you need to reset the motor completely. So to prevent us from doing that, we do it now. The next step is to set the lowest position, and to do that I put the motor in the position where I want it, and I'm going to press the My and Up button at the same time, at which moment the motor will roll up to the top position. It will roll up automatically, so you don't need to hold any buttons, but you do need to stop it at the right point by pressing the My button. You can do that a little bit in advance too, and then set the motor to its correct position to make sure you don't stop too late. So let's do that by press up at the same time. So it goes up now. I'll just wait, and I'll say, okay, this is the position where I want it to be in. I can fine tune it a bit by pressing the up button. And then I'll set this limit by pressing My and down at the same time. And then again, the motor will start rolling, and I need to press My to stop it. I'll press My and down. So we'll roll down, I press stop, which is the My button. And now I need to set these positions in the memory of the motor. So I'll press My, and I'll keep holding that until the motor goes up and down, which is now. So now the motor has memorized these positions. And now I need to close the memory of the motor, which is done by pressing the Program button, which is at the back of this Smooth Origin IO. And I press it until the motor goes up and down again. And that's it. It has been programmed, so when I press down, it will automatically roll down to its lowest position. When I press up, it will go up to its highest position. If you have any questions, let me know. You can leave a comment, or you can go to the website, which is www.motorize.it. Thank you. See you next time.